And I have to lay tracks tomorrow, so I'm saving my little demolition expert. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Now where are your feet? Where were your feet when you were telling him to go in the tunnel?
I was.
They were facing the way. This is Suzanne for her free dog exercise.
Oh, jeez.
There you go. Send him in the other tunnel or make him wait. Put him back on. Yeah, put him back on and make him wait. There you go. Now send him in the yellow tunnel. I don't care which side.
Are you happy now?
Yeah, put up your jumpy